Hello traders, hello traders. We have a question and we want to answer that Elliott question today. And I could not run away anymore from difficult Elliott question anymore. I'm tired of running away from Elliott difficult question. And today we want to answer the question, what is Elliott trading? Now, before you switch off, before you run away, okay, like a kangaroo, all right, what is Elliott trading? So when you ask, all right, a group of Elliott traders, you ask each individual Elliott trader, what is Elliott trading? A person may say to you, Elliott trading is Elliott forecast, all right. Another may say Elliott trading is a market prediction, all right. Another trader may say Elliott trading is gambling, is speculation. That does not work, or something like that. All right. Another may say Elliott trading is the use of the Elliott theory as a day swing or technical trader. So you will have a wide array of answers. Okay, people give you their opinion about what is Elliott trading. So traders have been asking that question on the web, or I've seen it. Traders asking that question. I wonder. I say, it's very simple. It's the application of the Elliott principle. And I say, hold on a second. Why people keep asking that question all the time? What is Elliott trading? Which means there are people out there who do not understand what is Elliott trading, or Elliott traders are using the Elliott principle, and at one point they start asking the question, what's the point of using the Elliott principle? And they are no more enthusiastic as they were before, and they're questioning what is Elliott trading. All right. Well, I can give you my answer now, and hopefully that answer will clarify, what is Elliott trading. And not only that, will help you to use the Elliott principle more efficiently. All right. So suppose I'm trading this stock here, okay? This is biomarine pharmaceutical. They know that I use this chart all the time, and I love biomarine pharmaceutical. Suppose I'm trading this, okay? And I want to apply Elliott principle to trade it. That will be what? Elliott trading, yes or no? So how am I doing that? You see, the way I'm using the Elliott principle after buying books, I read about Elliott principle, I learned about the 13 specific Elliott pattern, all right? I have the knowledge of Elliott principle, Elliott theory. But now, when I'm trading biomarine stock, and I want to use the knowledge that I have to buy and sell biomarine, I'm doing what we call Elliott trading. Yes or no? That's correct. So, suppose you were here, all right? So a trader that is using the Elliott principle for trading, the first thing that trader will be doing, you will be counting wave that you cannot get away with. So one may turn around and say, oh, Joel, so Elliott wave trading equal wave count. Yes, to a certain degree. All right? Okay? All right? Now, another trader, so we may also go around and say, okay, we have here, so I'm using Elliott wave, and I see here, okay, if I pull down, we have a triangle. Suppose I say to you, we have A, B, C, D, E triangle. That's a specific Elliott wave pattern. So in that case, when I'm looking for Elliott wave pattern or 13 specific Elliott wave patterns, I can say that Elliott wave trading equals finding, or identifying, a wave pattern, that I can use to make decision. Will that be good answer to you? So, if for instance, understand I have learned about the Elliott wave pattern, or for instance, I learned about the ABCDE wave pattern, all right? And now I learn it, I have the knowledge, I learn it, I have the knowledge. Now I want to use it to trade. That will become area weight trading, identifying A, B, C, D, E. So I will be looking for the structure of A, B, C, D, E. So it went up 1, 2, 3, and then came down 1, 2, 3, hitting the edge of the triangle. Yes or no? Now I will implement a top-down trading method to trade it. The decision that I'm making using a specific area weight pattern that will constitute, okay, area weight trading. So I think we can all agree that area weight trading can also be considered as using the area weight, okay, pattern. Yes or no? Okay. Now, if for instance, okay, I'm trading this stock Biomarine, which I like very much. Okay, all right. So we see that, okay, this is the first wave. Oh, the second wave is very deep. It's very deep here. So talking about, okay, using the structure of the second wave to predict, okay, the possibility of the depth of the corrective wave at the end of the trending phase. Looking at the structure of this second wave is quite deep, isn't it? So I can apply Fibonacci retracement to this first wave, and I'm looking and say, wow, this second wave went too deep. It went to 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level. So looking at this, at the end of the fifth wave here, I may be thinking that there is a possibility that at the end of this fifth wave, we may have a deep correction. Right? I'm not saying it's guaranteed, though. I'm not saying that it's exactly what's going to happen, but I'm saying there is a possibility, look, using the area weight principle, using this area weight principle, meaning that the structure of the second wave to focus, okay, the corrective phase at the end of the trending phase. So suppose, for instance, Biomarine, I'm not expecting them to go down though. Right, so if you are director of Biomarine, I'm a friend. Don't bash me or don't put me under surveillance, people chasing me on the street of London. All right? I'm not telling people to sell Biomarine, okay? I like this talk. It has been going up nicely here. So when I'm using area weight principle to forecast or to predict, all right, or to have a bit of idea what may happen. So you want to buy, you want to know when to buy. You are spending millions of dollars, millions of euros, millions of pounds in the financial market. As a hedge fund, you have to have a bit of idea what's the best time to buy or to sell. Okay, and if you are using area wave, you can forecast the market. So when I'm doing that exercise, we can say that area wave trading is equal to Elliott wave forecast, or is equal to market, okay, forecast or market prediction. Would that be a correct answer to that a simple question that we are discussing so far? How long have I been talking to you now? We want to keep it very short, 8 minutes, Joe. You under pressure to wrap it up soon. All right. So though the question is very simple, what is area weight trading? Now you see that it's not that simple as such. Okay. Now suppose I'm trading Biomarine. Okay, Biomarine. Okay, and I'm using the area weight like this. Okay, and I say, okay, according to the area weight principle, there is often alternance between, okay, the second wave and the fourth wave. It's a specific area weight rule. Very often there's alternate, which means if this, like now I see this second wave is very deep here, the first thing that is coming to my mind when the fourth wave is underway, we will say probably there's a high chance that the fourth wave will be shallow. However, if the second wave was shallow, we are not talking about guarantee or definitely or certainty. No, forget about that. I don't want traders to get that, because that's what people were taught in the past. Definitely, guarantee. Don't think like that, okay, please. All right. So on the other hand, if the second wave was shallow, the first thing that's coming to our mind, we may say that it may be a little bit deep. All right, alternance between the second and the fourth wave. So now, suppose we were here, and so if I see that's okay, so I will be applying Fibonacci retracement for my third wave. At the first level that we're watching, the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level, I'll say I was expecting a shallow second wave. So as soon as the common center line here is broken, I may be itching, so to speak. All right, I will be okay. Not rushing. Okay, I will be very, very interested to catch the early stage of the third wave. So in that case, what am I doing? I'm using the area wave to time the market. So in that case, we may say area wave trading is equal to market timing. All right. So, but I want, apart from everything that I've discussed with you, talking about what is area wave trading. Okay. The area wave trading will allow us to identify area wave pattern, and most importantly, to interpret the language of the price. Area wave trading, at the end of the day, whether it's wave count, okay, whether it's market timing, whether identifying wave pattern, whether it's area wave forecast, all right. If we summarize everything and we put it in one basket, so to speak, it will be to interpret the language of the price. I told this story to trader before. When I started trading fair, I always dreamed about using the price alone, where I can just make decision just with the price, nothing else. Okay. And this is it. So when we are using the area wave trading consists of using the area wave principle to interpret the message that the price is communicating to us, so we may know when to buy and when to sell, and also when to exit the trade, all right, and when to maximize the trade. So sometimes people will leave money on the table. So price going up, they make a little bit of money, but they don't know how far the price is going to go. It's going to go up more. A trend is in the third wave. The fourth wave will count, the fifth will count. So people make a bit of money, they run away, they jump around, and they jump into another trade only to lose. But they could have maximized their profits during that time before they hung their boots. So this will conclude our discussion today about what is area wave trading. Area wave trading is equal to wave count. It's also equal to market timing. It's also about using the wave patterns. It's also equal to area wave forecast, market prediction or market forecast. All right. Area wave, trading, is the application of the area wave principle, to make a timely technical trading decision without being cooked. Now you can quote me on Twitter, Facebook that I said that, Area wave trading is the application of the area wave principle to make a timely technical trading decision without being cooked. A lot of people have been using the area wave theory and they have been cooked all over the place. Why? Because they are not following the correct steps. So I hope I have managed to answer your question. All right. If you have any more questions, please put in the comment section. And of course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. All right. If this video has been truly useful to you, please let us know by giving us your beautiful thumbs up. If you dislike it, please mark it down. However, if you think it's an essential tutorial that can help other area wave traders, yes, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, Twitter, Facebook, and Tumblr. I really appreciate it when traders share our video, and I say to those traders, again and again, thank you very much because you are an amazing being. Alright. Sometimes I'm posting video first on Facebook. My Facebook page is stochastic-MACD. Follow us on Facebook too, please. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel for area wave trading is 24 Elliott waves. Digit 2, digit 4, Elliott waves in plural. Click on the notification bell so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. If you want to learn more about area wave trading, go to www.24elliottwaves.com. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about what is Elliott wave trading. Let us know your definition of area wave trading. You have something to add, or do you disagree completely with me, or do you like to disagree with me all the time? Or we want to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I will speak to you very soon. Happy trading to you all. We are the TSTW 24 traders.